have here is a single coil going from Indiana to Illinois. About 6 feet of space. This particular coil weighs about 42,000 pounds, and obviously I wrapped it around with 2-inch strap to keep it from flopping around in the wind. And what I do is I usually put this piece of wood here to keep the wind from getting underneath and making that blow up like a balloon. And I didn't need one back here because there's really nothing much for the wind to flop around or whatever. It won't balloon up. So this is a small tarp I use for these. There's a specific coil tarp that I need to buy and make it easy to the tarp. Just a couple minutes and you're done. Yeah, it's a short trip. I'm almost at my destination. So once I kick this off, it's on to the next. Nothing exciting here. Just hauling a coil from point A to point B, and I'm almost at point B.